and why we need different pencils for shading. If you have ever asked this question to yourself and if you haven't found the answer yet, this video is for you. Hi, this is Ritika from Ritika's Art Studio. So in this video, I'm going to talk in detail about graphite pencils, what are they composed of and where to use which pencil. There are two main variants, H and B. So the H stands for hard and it is very light. It is actually composed of more clay fillers than the graphite. So it is made of more clay and less graphite. That is why it is very hard and it's very light. Whereas the B pencil is quite opposite to H. It is very dark and it is very soft. So B stands for blackness. It is composed of more graphite and less clay. That is why it is very soft. You might have noticed your 6B or 8B pencil breaks off it. So that is due to this issue. So there are two more common pencils, HB and F. F stands for fine point and HB is the common pencil that we use regularly for writing and everything. Next, I'll tell you where to use which pencil. You don't need all these pencils to shade. It is enough to have from 2H to 8B. In addition, you can have 4H and double E. So first I'll tell you which pencil is used for what purpose. So from 9H to 5H, it is very light. So you can use them for outlining watercolor paintings. You know, when you sketch a watercolor drawing, you need the outline to be very light so that when you erase, you don't want to create any mess. For that purpose, you can use this drawing because it's very light and so you can easily cover it up when you paint. Similarly, 4H to 2H can also be used for outlining, for pencil shading, where you can cover the outlines later in shading. Then comes the HB, B and the F pencil, which are all the standard pencils for writing. So you can use that as well for outlining and for shading highlights. Then comes the B pencils. All these B pencils are actually meant for shading. So you can use all types of B pencils for pencil shading. And if the darkness is not enough for you with the 8B pencil, you can go for double E. Double E pencil is really dark because it is composed of both graphite and charcoal. So since it's a combination of charcoal and graphite, it is really dark, so it will be suitable for very dark shadings. So I'll show you the demo of all these pencils now.
So here I've got all my pencils from 4H to double E. 4H, 2H, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and double E. I'll shade and show you all these. And as I told you, HS stands for hardness, F for fine point, B for blackness and HB for hard black. As I already mentioned, H pencils are very hard and it is very light. So see, the tip is very rigid, it will not break easily. Whereas if you see the B pencil, the tip will be very soft.
So that's it for today's video. If you really found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share it to your friends and family. You can also drop your suggestions about the next video requirements. So I'll see you in the next video.